All right, those were just my oven-ready lasagna pieces that we par-cooked and cut in half. We're gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna bring in my 2 pounds of cooked ground beef, and we are gonna add our Newman's Own marinara. This, I feel like, is the best bang for your buck marinara, and we're gonna make a delicious meat sauce for our quick and easy Italian style dinner. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this together. I do have another jar of sauce on deck just in case this feels a little dry, but we wanna make sure that our meat gets fully coated in that delicious sauce. You can home make your own pasta noodles and sauce, but I think that these easy and quick substitutions are delicious, and you get a quicker dinner for a weeknight. I did end up adding about 1/4 more of a jar, so we're gonna put that to the side and come back in with our lasagna pasta. And I have here a ice cream scoop. We're gonna go ahead and scoop 1 ball of our meat sauce right on top of each piece of lasagna in our muffin tin. I did slightly grease my muffin tin just to ensure that those pasta pieces wouldn't stick to the pan. But look how perfectly those cut lasagna pasta fits into our muffin tin. That is why I like the oven ready, because it is the perfect size for this easy recipe. And we just boiled those for about like 3 minutes, maybe even less than that. You just need them to be fully cooked. All right, now I'm coming in with my mozzarella balls, and this is fresh mozzarella, and we're gonna go ahead right over here, and we're gonna push our mozzarella ball right into that meat sauce, just like so. All right, last one, and as you can see, our pasta cupped up like that, and that's exactly what we wanted. Now this is not nearly enough cheese, so we're gonna bring in our shredded mozzarella, and we are just gonna top some of that right on top so it can hold everything into our little lasagna cups, just like so. You can freshly grate your own cheese if that's what you prefer, but this is gonna be such an easy, such a delicious dinner appetizer, whatever you wanna make it for. It is such a crowd pleaser. My family absolutely loves when I make this on a random Wednesday night when I'm just throwing together stuff we already have in the house. And those mozzarella balls were on sale for only like $2, which just made this dinner taste even better. Okay, now we're gonna finish this off with our mozzarella, and then we have one more thing we're gonna add just for some extra flavor, and that is our Italian seasoning. Oh yeah, we're just gonna do it, a nice little sprinkle just like that. Adds a little bit of color, adds some great flavor. You can do whatever you want. You can do some parsley on top, some basil, but I just wanted to keep it simple, and like I said, use the stuff I already had in my pantry, so that's why we're just sticking with the seasoning. Okay. And that is it, you guys. Our super easy Italian dinner is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 20 minutes. Oh my, these are ready. We are just gonna top them off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and I'm just grating it right on top of each one. Obviously this is optional, but who doesn't love Parmesan on their lasagna, right?
Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, I have here my little appetizer plate, and this should just be able to pop right out, just like so. I think I'm gonna grab 2 because I am hungry. And look at that, our little lasagna cups, some crispy cheese. I am so excited. That is so good. You get the little crispy bits on the top, the soft pasta on the bottom, and all that cheese.